In this video, we begin at the source, where mangosteen grows slowly under natural light and controlled conditions. Each mangosteen is carefully harvested by hand, ensuring the fruit remains intact and undamaged. Harvested mangosteen is gently placed into containers to avoid pressure and impact. After harvesting, the fruits is first directed to a nearby field collection center. At this stage, mangosteen is organized and stabilized before long-distance transport. The harvest is then loaded. This step ensures mangosteen arrives under consistent conditions, ready for industrial processing. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell for future updates. Mangosteen arrives at a state-of-the-art processing facility built for high-efficiency food production. This facility integrates modern logistics systems designed to handle mangosteen at industrial scale. Automated workflows coordinate the arrival process with precision and controlled timing. Advanced infrastructure prepares mangosteen for a controlled, technology-driven process. Mangosteen enters automated washing chambers designed for high-volume food-grade sanitation. Advanced water circulation systems remove surface residue with controlled pressure. Precision spray technology targets each mangosteen without damaging the outer shell. Continuous rotation ensures even cleaning across the entire surface. This automated cleaning process prepares mangosteen for precise inspection, creating uniform conditions before the next phase begins. High-resolution optical sensors evaluate mangosteen size, surface condition, and overall consistency in real time. Automated positioning mechanisms align each mangosteen to ensure accurate and repeatable cuts. High-precision blades score the mangosteen shell without applying excessive pressure. This controlled cutting process protects the delicate inner structure while maintaining processing speed. The system separates the shell cleanly, exposing the inner structure flesh with minimal disruption. Once scored, mangosteen is gently opened using calibrated mechanical force. Open fruits moves forward seamlessly, maintaining alignment for the next extraction phase. Multiple cutting stations operate in parallel, increasing throughput while preserving consistency. Open mangosteen enters automated extraction systems designed to separate the inner flesh with precision. Extracted mangosteen flesh moves forward on dedicated conveyors under continuous monitoring. Screening systems refine the extraction process, isolating usable mangosteen flesh from remaining shell material. Advanced laboratory checks confirm mangosteen structure and quality, using controlled conditions to validate processing standards. The creamy white flesh remains intact, preserving texture and natural composition. This synchronized extraction workflow maintains throughput while protecting product integrity. Parallel extraction lines allow large volume to be processed with uniform results. Mangosteen pulp is now processed inside digitally monitored systems, where flow, texture, and consistency are continuously regulated in real time. Prepared mangosteen flesh is directed toward automated canning systems designed for high-volume production. State-of-the-art canning lines operate in synchronized motion, maintaining speed, accuracy, and consistency. Precision filling mechanisms dispense measured portions of mangosteen into each container. At this stage, mangosteen is infused with a precisely controlled syrup, sealing flavor and stability through automated formulation systems. Quality control technicians verify sealed in cans, confirming fill levels, integrity, and consistency through monitored inspection protocols. Automated labeling systems apply precise branding to each can, ensuring accuracy, alignment, and visual consistency at production speed. This integrated canning workflow maximizes efficiency while maintaining strict quality standards. Sealed Mangosteen cans now move through high-capacity production lines engineered for continuous industrial output. Thermal stabilization systems apply controlled heat to secure product safety and long-term stability. Final inspection combines automated vision systems with technician verification to confirm seal integrity and consistency. Robotic handling systems organize Mangosteen cans with precision, preparing them for large-scale packaging. Whole Mangosteen is carefully positioned inside glass containers before syrup infusion begins. Automated syrup dispensing systems fill each glass jar, sealing freshness through controlled preservation. Sealing systems secure each jar, creating a stable environment for long-term storage. Glass packaging lines operate under precise temperature and pressure parameters to protect product integrity. Extracted mangosteen pulp is transferred into digitally controlled blending tanks for formulation. Automated mixing systems regulate speed and temperature to achieve a consistent smoothie base. This controlled process preserves the natural creaminess while maintaining uniform quality. Many people enjoy this fruit not only fresh, but also blended into smoothies and wellness recipes. If you're curious about simple ways to use it at home, you'll find a helpful guide linked in the description. Real-time sensors continuously measure viscosity, flow, and stability throughout processing. Finished mangosteen products enter automated labeling lines designed for high-speed accuracy. Precision labeling systems apply graphics with exact alignment, ensuring consistent brand presentation. Sealing equipment secures each package, maintaining stability during handling and transport. This integrated packaging workflow ensures efficiency, consistency, and scalable production. Finished Mangosteen products enter a smart warehouse designed for high-volume automated distribution. Automated conveyor systems move packaged units efficiently toward palletizing zones. Robotic palletizing systems stack products with precision, optimizing space and load stability. Automated wrapping systems secure each pallet, protecting products during long-distance transport. This warehouse operates as a fully synchronized logistics hub, minimizing delays and maximizing throughput. From here, Mangosteen products are dispatched to global markets through optimized distribution networks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy seeing how real products are made through modern industrial processes, consider subscribing and explore the next production journey.